Welcome to House Online. This video shows you how to use the chat function in MS Teams, how to use Paint to add images, how to vote for images, and how to change the language. First, we'll look at the chat text. When you're in an MS Teams meeting, this toolbar appears. This icon opens the chat pane on the right-hand side. Here, we can type in a message and send it. Type in your message. Click on the A to format the text or add emojis. And then click on this arrow to send. Adding images to the chat. You might wish to draw something and send it in the chat. The best tool for this is Microsoft Paint. You can find it by searching for Paint in the search bar on the bottom left-hand side of your PC screen. You can then click on the Paint icon that appears. Draw your image in Paint. Click on Select to highlight your image. Then click on Copy to copy your image. You can also use the Control and C buttons to copy. Now go back to the chat in MS Teams. Put your cursor or mouse in the chat box and press Ctrl and V at the same time to paste it in. There it is. And click on the arrow to send. Everyone can now see your image in the chat pane. You can vote on text and images in the chat pane. When I'm in a class, my tutor may send me questions in the chat function. For example, they've asked me which of these pictures is a pie chart. They're going to send some images now. So my tutor has sent two pictures through. Which one of these is a pie chart? Rather than saying the first one or the second one and typing in here, I can vote. I think this top one is the pie chart. If I leave my mouse, my cursor on the image, these emojis pop up and I can click on a thumbs up to say, I think it's this top one. Everyone can see which one I voted for because when I hover my mouse, my cursor, over the thumbs up, we can see that my name has come up. If I was in an ESOL class, for example, the tutor might ask the question on the video rather than typing it in. They may say a phrase like, there are 2 roads. I would then look on these images and choose which do I think is the correct answer. Here I have 2 roads, here I have 3 shops. So I would hover over the picture with 2 roads and click on thumbs up to say I think it relates to that picture. I'm now going to show you how you can change the language if English isn't your first language. Click on the three dots icon, and in the list you can see Show Device Settings. Click on this, and Device Settings will open. At the bottom, click on Open Language Settings. Choose your language, and then click on Save and Restart. For more advice on using MS Teams, search for MS Teams online. We look forward to seeing you in class.